Hello everyone, this is Ido from Nokobot, and today I'm going to show you the input system. So, the input system is very similar to the Unity input system. It basically replaces the, the Unity input system, it mimics it, and it gives you more functionality. So, this is the input manager window, for example, and you can see it looks a little bit different. You have the name of the button, the description, the negative description, and also the positive and negative buttons. But here you don't actually type in the button, you just, for example, if I add a key and I click change, then it's waiting for my input, and the next key I'm going to enter will be set here. So I will click the right arrow and it's set just like this. And it also obviously gets the mouse buttons and everything else. It's very easy to set up, and also you can add as many keys as you like. There's no real limit for only 2 keys like the Unity system. And yeah, actually the biggest plus in this system is that you can access these buttons from code. So first I'm going to show you the setup. So if I click play here, this is the demo scene that you get with the package. I can choose the input menu, and you can see that I let you set the keys here. So for example, I want you to change the right to the arrow key. Okay, so I click the right here and it's waiting. I pretty much mimic the script, and when I hit the right, see it changes here, but it still did not change here because I haven't saved. So I need to click save, and as you can see, it changes the button itself. This is something that the Unity system still does not let you do at this time. And yeah, it works the same. I want to show you a little bit how it looks in code. So all you have to do basically to use this system and not the Unity native input system, is just at the top of your file enter this line using input equals Nokobot Input Manager, and what it does, it gives you every functionality that the Unity input system has, but it also adds a little bit. So and also I do not prevent you from using the basic system. If you really think you need to, you can get native button down, for example, that goes to the Unity buttons, but the get button, the normal get button or get button down, are replaced with the custom button that you enter. And also I have any key here or any key down, and as functions you can get any key. For example, that's one of the functions that I've added, and it returns true or false if any key is pressed, but also it can return the key that was pressed. So obviously you can use it as like I did in the input menu. And also added some shortcuts, for example, for mouse X, mouse Y, or mouse scroll wheel, and other cool things that I thought were pretty useful. And yeah, everything you need to do is actually get to change the keys with script is get the button data, and you enter the button name. For example, if it was the file, so the file key, so get button data file, and then you can set the keys, set the negative keys, and you can set several keys. It will set all of them. And also what you see I did here is I created, just for convenience, you see if you get in the input manager as inspector, it lets you choose the button name from the known buttons here. And also, if you choose to, or you want to set up things that you still haven't created, you can choose other, and you can manually enter the name of the button like you would if you would using the normal string. And then if it recognizes the button, then it automatically sets it up. That's again just for convenience. It's nothing. It's basically just a string, just to prevent you from doing the small mistake that takes a lot of time to find, like not using the capital letter where you should. And yeah, that's basically it, and it works the same. If you will look at the controller, then I'm using get button down like I would use with the Unity, or get axis like I would use with the Unity system. It's very, very easy to use, but it adds lots of functionalities that are very useful, I think, for modern games. You rarely find a game where you don't have the option to for the players to set up his keys for his own playstyle. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any question, please let me know. Send me an email, contact me from the Unity forums, or go and visit nokobot.com for any further information. There is also web documentation that you can find online for the scripting functions and everything you need to know. Yeah, thank you.